It is Australia Day. Happy Australia Day, everyone. We're about to go and do a little bit of waterfall hunting. There's a waterfall that I've heard about for years. Finally, we're gonna go see if we can find it.
Woohoo!
The Heart Waterfall. I always thought it was in some exotic country, and then I realised
Australia is exotic.
it is exotic, and it was just around the corner from us. Let's go find it.
Have you ever wondered what it could be like? And now it's all set to come back home. You were after nothing I could give long. Have you wondered?
We're spooky and we're creepy, we're hooky and we're ponky. Look at that tree. Grey, orange.
Some other people might have had this idea. We're thinking about it, bringing a rope to Absal, but I think there's probably too many people, so we'll go check it out next time. What do you reckon, Parky?
I'm tired.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You just wanted to Absal, didn't you?
I'm not tired.
You're not tired?
And now we're standing back on our feet. There's nothing there, so better.
Here we go. Good? This track's good.
I reckon it'd be.
They said it was a bit rough, steep and rough, but
I reckon it'd be a good.
this is fine. 4 months since Tab broke her ankle. How's it feeling?
Yeah, good.
I reckon there'll be people jumping. Are you going to jump?
I think so, yeah. Where do you jump into?
Yeah, maybe. I'll have a look.
Perfect world, but we're not always what we promised to be.
We can hear something. Sounds like the action's coming from down there. I think there may be a few people jumping. Walk's steep, but it's actually not too bad. I reckon 20 minutes. Probably run it in 10. A couple of people here. was that?
Good.
What was your favourite?
We're going down the waterfall.
Must see. What an amazing morning, Killarney Glen. You rock. And we just got this big walk to do. It'll be alright, won't take too long, will it, Rab?
Yeah.
Two tracks up here. We can go the four-wheel drive track or the walking track. I think we're going to go the walking track.
Wouldn't it be good if we could have brought the four-wheel drive down?
That's where we've come from, down there. Some rain coming.
This is so amazing. Oh my god. Wow.
See, that was a dying person. Oh! This is what happens when you fall and you walk up that hill.
Abby, this is Big J Snapchat, isn't it? Yep. Say bye. Bye.
Come on, last bit. Oh, come on. Big effort. Oh, here he's running. Just in time. The rain is here.
Where's my little chippet? Hey, Walker, you're going.
There's my little Jip. She's a little pip. She lives in a tree.
Wet.
How are you, Jippy?
Come on, the
Good?
Jippy.